Morning peeps, new day and the project moves on. So I got here, let me turn the camera a bit, right? So I'm at the spot. I don't know if I can get anything. Let me see if I can get a good angle here. Okay, so that brace is really unglued and I need to clean it first. Yeah, so I need to clean it with some denaturated alcohol, and I'll try to do that with my spatula somehow to get in there, and then, you know, would glue it back in place. So yeah, see you in a bit, because I need all my hands. All right, so that was a struggle. It looks like this. I mean, I can't film inside. I glued up that entire arm of the X brace, and it was really tough getting the glue inside. I tried with this spatula just to put it, and with fingers and wiping the excess off. It was difficult. So now waiting for that to cure, which will take until tomorrow, just to be safe. I will go for this. So there is some separation here. I don't know how deep it is. Quite honestly, is not going all the way through. I mean, it goes up until fret 7 maybe. So I will just drop fill some super glue, some very thin super glue, and let it cure. And yeah, that's the plan for now. And after that, I will just leave it be until tomorrow, and I guess next step will be fretting. So that's more exciting. All right, see you in the next one. And yeah, that was it. Ciao. Okay, I said that was it. That was not it. I've drop filled. So here's the drop fill. I don't know what I'm doing here. Anyway, yeah. So you can see that it sucked in a lot. I mean a lot of super glue, and it still looks like it needs a bit more. So maybe the separation was a bit more serious than I thought. But I really don't feel like taking off the fretboard, because I know for a fact that if I take off the fretboard, I will order a new truss rod, and then I will spend 2 more months working on it, and I quite honestly couldn't be bothered for that. I just want to get this guitar working properly and you know, and use it at least on the first and second tracks of the new album of Chasing Flames. And in the end, you know, I will do a video. I always promise that I will be doing videos, but I will be. I actually promise. Why I started this Luthier thing? Cause, you know, the reason, actually, it's a bit sad, but yeah, it all worked out in the end. Just spoiler alert, someone messed up a very dear guitar of mine, and which is still in works many years after. I said I would be finishing it last year. I didn't. But here we are. I mean, this year I want to kind of wrap up all the projects I still have remaining around the house, because I want to focus on other things as well. And yeah, you'll know why I started all this. So I will just continue to drop fill, you know, to put a bit more of super glue inside this starved joint unglued thing fretboard. And yeah, see you in the next one for real now. This is the last of it. Right. Okay. So see you in the next one, and yeah, I'll keep you posted with anything Luthier or music related. All right. Ciao.